for Thunderhorse Descendant, and we're in the porch today because, you know, if you've been following along with Thunderhorse Descendant, you know that I am revamping, reorganizing, redoing my studio, and honestly, there's not a clean place to be had. So, look what came in the mail! So excited. Literally haven't even opened this yet. It came about 5 minutes ago. And I was like, let's just jump right on and do this because, you know, I've been waiting. I gotta read the theme. The Bargain Bead Box Navigator. All right. Lapis Lazuli and Agate Star in the Nautical Collection. Our favorite pieces this month is the Rhinestone Encrusted Working Compass. Both functional and beautiful, silver tone findings, sparkling crystals, handmade porcelain beads. Complete this collection. We so appreciate your patience as we work with working through factory delays and customs to bring you these beads. We truly have had the best subscribers. Thank you for being so wonderful. Here's your coupon. La-ti-da. You can use this coupon until it expires. So if you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, so Bargain Bead Box is a bead subscription that comes to your door. It's $17.95 a month. That includes shipping. And I believe, don't quote me on this. Does this go to Canada? Anyways, so that is the Bargain Bead Box. Now they had a little shipping delay. There were some delays with customs, I guess. So I'm not sure if this is like May or June. It must be June. I'm not sure how that all came out in the wash. But anyway, we're going to jump right on into it. So let's get down to the table and see what they got for us. All right, guys, this is what we got. What's the deal here? So this is what we got. A little look-see at the bag. It looks kind of, just from reaching in, it looks kind of red, white, and blue. Maybe a little like kind of boat theme. So I'm going to jump off to the side, get a little organized, so it's easier for us to look at everything, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here is the first #1 item. It says 40-piece strand of 6x4 crystal rondelle beads in opaque red. So we got a little crystals. That's #1. I had to open a window in my porch, you guys. It's hot. I'm sorry if you're hearing cars and stuff. #2 is a 7.5-inch strand of 6mm lapis round gemstone beads. So we're looking at these, and I'm looking at the quality. You can see a little bit of the mica in there, in that lapis. And these are, what are they, 6mm? So that's cute. This is what I was saying, maybe we got a little like red, white, and blue theme going on here. So, got a little lapis. #3 is a 30-piece strand of 6mm English cut crystal round beads in marine blue. Now, I really like these beads. I always love a good English cut, as they call. Some say a star cut. But I really like these little crystals. I think they're super fun to work with. We got those. Nice and sparkly. Hopefully up here in the good natural light, you guys can get all that sparkliness. So those are cute. #4, we have, what does this say? There's some kind of something. Hold on. It says #20 label, 16-inch strands, 3x5x2 crystal rondelle beads. What? Okay, there seems to have been some kind of weird thing. It says #20 label, 16-inch strand of 3.5 5 by 2 millimeter crystal rondelles in indigo. Okay, so that's this guy. So not 4. The little indigo crystals. A little darker blue. So then we have 5, which is not 5. Wait, no. This is okay. So what is 5? 24 pieces brass head pins. Okay, here's that. So there's those guys. I got a little wigged up with the whole count thing. But anyway, 6. These look fun. 6 is a 10-piece strand of 8 millimeter cathedral style crystal round beads in red and silver. So this, if you're not aware, is what they call the cathedral style, where they kind of have like a little something on the top and it kind of comes down over the bead. And those are cute. I really like those. Those are super cute. So we got those. 7 is 30-piece strand of crystal rondelle beads in white jade. So again, kind of sticking with the red, white, and blue theme, it looks like. So we got those. Number 8 is 3 sets of 30 millimeter toggle clasps, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. Some little toggles for, you know, bracelets or whatever. Okay, what number are we on? 9? 9. 5 pieces of handmade porcelain melon beads. Corrugated melon beads. Porcelain. So these are interesting. I do like that these look to have like a little bigger hole in them. They're all kind of like that. They do have a little bit of a feeling of melon, but not really, honestly. Not all of them, not all of mine do. They have like a little bit of ridge, but not much. But I think the painting, you can kind of get the idea there. Number 10, we have 1 meter, 3 millimeter steel Rolo chain, which I always love chain. I say this every time. I always order chain extra with my coupon because I love it. 11. These are cute. We got some little charms, some little like, this reminds me of the pirates, the little pirate ship wheel or whatever. I mean, I guess it wouldn't have to be a pirate ship, but that's what it reminds me of. The little boating steering wheel. I don't know what it's called. But those are cute. Got 4 of those. They're double-sided. That is good. Number 12 is 30 pieces of 5x4 rope accent barrel spacer beads. Again, I like these. These have a little larger hole on them, so they could work on a leather if you wanted. Like these two together could probably get on a leather of some kind, so I like that. Got some design options there. 13. 4 pieces of 34 by 27 millimeter rope accent chandelier findings is these guys. They are double-sided. These are very nice. I like these. A lot of possibilities here. Not just earrings, but you could also do as a bracelet connector, you know, one on each side. Necklace drops. Like, the possibilities are endless with these, I feel. So I really like those. They feel of good quality and they are double-sided. So love that. 14. Okay, 14, we have a 26 by 59 curved chandelier focal. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like we've seen this before. Somewhere. I feel like I have one of these downstairs. I don't know if it came from Bargain Bead Box, but this is really cool. Lots of options for your necklace. You know, dangling drops and things. So that's always cool. I really enjoy that a lot. What do we got here? 15. 15 is a 7-inch 8mm crackle agate round beads dyed and heated in marine blue. So these are cute. You can see so they say they are dyed and heated agates, but they're so cute. Kind of look like maybe, I think they're supposed to look like water. That's cute. 16 is a 40mm lapis dyed point pendant. Lapis dyed point pendant. Like a pencil pendant. So there's that guy. He's super cute. Must be like dye enhanced, because it says it's lapis, dyed lapis point pendant. 17, we have some little bead caps. This is 20 pieces of 8mm roped edge bead caps, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. So that's what those little guys look like. Always need some bead caps, especially if we're going to be using these. When I was first looking at these, you know, you can see like the painting isn't all the way to the edge. So that'd be cool if you needed to use some bead caps on there. 18. I'm like looking around. Oh, here's the explanation. It says, we accidentally skipped printing the number 4 label and printed number 20 instead, which we noticed after we assembled everything. We chose to ship and get the beads out faster. Yeah, it's fine. So here's number 18 now. This must be what they said they were waiting for. This is supposed to be a working compass. It is glass. It is a connector. So it appears to be working. Let's see. I think. Yeah, it is. So that's cute. I remember when I was a kid, my stepdad used to have one of these on the dash of his car. It was like a ball that floated. It had like a little rubber thing. So crazy. 19 is a 10-piece strand of 10mm Z beads, agate rounds, heated and dyed. So these are cute. I really like these. And then I got a number 4. Number 4 doesn't seem to be listed, but I did get some kidney earring wires. I don't know what the deal is with that. Maybe they were supposed to be in there. Maybe they're supposed to be number 20. I'm not sure, but I got some kidney earring wires. So that's what we got going on for the, does it say, it doesn't tell me which month this is now. So I think it's going to be June. I think this is June. So, let me just zoom you out a smidge, get everything back in the camera here, and I'll just do my final thoughts. First of all, I will tell you that I'm not the biggest fan of the red, white, and blue theme. I think it's cute. We do have 4th of July coming up, so maybe make some theme jewelry for the red, white, and blue. I do like that they did not go full out red, white, and blue, and they use kind of like this Voyager theme where it's like travel and, you know, the little boat and the you know, that type of thing. If there was something that I absolutely couldn't live without in this box, I think it would be these Z beads. I really enjoy these a lot. These Z beads right here. These are super cute. I really like those. And if there was something that I could, you know, could just enjoy this box and do away with and not really care, I guess I would probably have to say, maybe these white crystals, because I don't know, they're just kind of like white crystals, just kind of plain. Anyways, all right guys, so that was the bargain bead box for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give your girl a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the theme and the colorway. I would love to know. And again, I invite you guys all to come to YouTube Morning Coffee. Thunderhorse Descendant does coffee every Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. So if you're just looking for like a little beady place to hang out and chit chat, come chit chat with us, have coffee. We do design on there. I will be designing with the bargain bead box in my book, which then I will we'll design them together on Morning Coffee, and then I will make them for YouTube and post them up over the weeks coming. And so if you want to see that whole process and how that goes down, by all means, come check out your girl, hang out, have coffee, you know, let us know what you're doing with your beady day. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. I'll see you when I'm looking at you, as my significant other says. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.